Have you ever wondered what if beneath the ground you walk on every day there are stories, secrets, and treasure that have remained hidden for centuries, for generations? Humans have been fascinated by the idea of hidden wealth, ancient kingdoms, lost civilizations, forgotten treasures, stories of gold, jewels, and precious items buried deep inside the earth have always captured our imagination. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to explore one of the most mysterious topics from traditional beliefs and folklore. The mystery of hidden treasure and the ancient methods people believe could help locate it. Money has always played an important role in the human life. It provides opportunities, it creates stability, and it helps people fulfill their dreams and responsibilities. What when someone struggles financially, life can become extremely challenging. Stress increases, confidence decreases, and every small problem starts feeling much bigger. This is why throughout history, people have searched for different ways to improve their financial situation. Some worked hard through business and professions, while others became fascinated with stories of hidden treasures, lost wealth, and ancient secrets. Across different cultures, there are countless legends about treasures buried under the earth. But the biggest question has always been, how can someone know where such hidden wealth is located? Traditional folklore mentions many mysterious methods that people believed could provide signs or indications. Some of these methods were connected with nature, intuitions, and ancient practices. According to these traditional stories, people use natural elements and objects changes in their sensations while searching for possible locations. However, it is important to understand that these are beliefs and folklore. There is no scientific evidence proving that such method can accurately locate buried treasure. The fascination behind these stories comes from the mystery itself. Imagine walking through an old forgotten place, a land that once belonged to an ancient civilization, a location where history says something valuable may have been hidden. The excitement of discovering something unknown is what keeps these legends alive. But perhaps the greatest treasure is not always found beneath the earth. Sometimes the real treasure in knowledge, the ability to create opportunities, the wisdom to make better decisions, and the discipline to build wealth through consistent effort. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy exploring ancient mysteries, forgotten traditions, and fascinating stories from around the world, stay connected. Like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next videos. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the unknown.